Hello, kids! How are you today? I am good. I am good. Today's letter is letter N. We will read and spell words that begin with letter N. Let's begin. Letter N. Big N. Small N. N, 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 N. Nail, nail. N A I L, nail. Nine, nine. N I N E, nine. Net, net. N E T, net. Nest, nest. N E S T, nest. Nose, nose. N O S E, nose. Needle, needle. N E E D L E, needle. Let's review. Nail, nail. Nine, nine. Net, net. Nest, nest. Nose, nose. Needle, needle. Well done, everyone. We will see you again next time. Goodbye.